Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to A-Bub's Car Life, and the car life is whatever you make for it. Today, we're at the Camaro Fest, so there's a bunch of Camaros here. I'm going to show you around as I'm driving around here. I'm going to show y'all some of them, and it's going to be awesome. I hope y'all like the footage. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, because I'm going to try to keep showing more and more videos each and every time, and we're going to get some stuff on here that y'all want to see. If you're a Camaro fan, hit that like button right now. If you got a Camaro, hit that like button right now. If you want a Camaro, hit that like button right now. And stay tuned. We're going to go up. I'm going to show you some of these cars as I'm trying to park right now. So, stay tuned. I don't know why they had that Mustang right there. We're going to go through here and see what we can. Look at all the Camaros. There's a little track over there. We'll go down here and look at all the cars down through here. Hope y'all get to see all of them. I'm gonna try to slow down so y'all can see some of them. Tons of Camaros everywhere. We'll go around down there. I guess down there they lined up to race and stuff, so I think the dudes from my car club is down this way, so we're gonna go down here and see if they down this way. So we're gonna drive down this way and see and park down here and see what all the cars they got. Look at all these. They lined up to get in line to race and shit. Around on the track. We're gonna get out and see some so stay tuned. We're gonna get out and I'll let y'all see some of them when we get out down here. As you can see, I made it all the way around here. I'm trying to find where the guys from my car club park. I'm gonna go down this way real quick and see if they're down through here. There they are right there. That's them right there. So I'm gonna turn around and come back. So I just got out the car now. We're gonna go ahead and walk around here. I ain't gonna do too much talking. I'm gonna just show y'all some of these cars as usual. So have fun and watch this. Got Chevy out here. I love that color. Different rims on it though. Might be a little better. Love the color though. I like it. That's an RS2. Have a little stand out here. Go over here, look at some of these at the Chevy thing. Have hats and stuff.
Oh no, they're both the same. It's just reversible. But
we can get one of those posters?
huh?
We can get one of these?
Oh yeah.
All right, appreciate it.
Hats are down there too.
All right, appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thanks.
I might go back.
So I got a poster. Hey, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Doing all right. Appreciate it. Thanks. I love how there's different colors right there. It looks pretty sick. I like how they got that color. Nice. I guess it's a reversible. They got different ones out here. This right here is a ZL1. That's the one I like. I love that color. Yeah, ZL1. The wing on the back. As you can see in there, thing's nice from the back. Go down here and check some more stuff out. More people pulling in. I'm having fun already. I got to tell you, got like decals you can put on your car over here.
Oh, just give me blue.
We'll go out there. We'll go check some of the races out in here in a sec. I guess you can go get rims and you can come out here and basically they'll help you out. What you don't got. Hey, how's it going?
Yeah, going great, man. Waiting on it to warm up.
Yeah. myself up and get me one of these. Supercharged. There's a blower on there. It's crazy. Hot Wheels right here, boy. Look at there. There's the car right there in the Hot Wheels. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Look in there. Yes, sir. Look at that. That's crazy. Get a magazine and everything. It's crazy. Go down through here. They had all kinds of session stands and stuff. Like I said, they more people in line to run their cars and stuff. We're gonna check that out a little later. Get you some of them pipes. Potential pipes and stuff out here. We're selling t-shirts. That's crazy. Cold air intake in there. Look at these. And this right here, I love it. I just like how that black and this is the one. This is the one. Look how it's got that cage in there. Oh yeah. It's great. Look at that. They definitely got the motors for the things out here. Got a little bit of everything down through here. We're gonna walk through here and then walk back down. Let's see what we got. All these right here. I like that green, favorite color. Especially that green over there too. Look at that. Look at there. You see that? Yeah. It's awesome. Up there here on the backs. How they got that decorated? This thing right here is sick. What a paint job. Look at the grip. Look at that. Look at all that details. Awesome. There's some of the other ones over here. That's crazy. Look at the inside of there. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Look at the inside right there. Man, they got some, like, I love Camaros, and this just makes me want to get mine, like, and go crazy with it. I'm gonna get there, but I love the way everybody got their own unique touch to the Camaro. Just their own unique touch, so we're gonna keep looking around. I'm gonna show y'all some more. These right here is like a set. You got the blue one, and the older model blue one. That one's actually for sale. It's nice. Check this one out. This is nice. I like the little lights. Here, check it out. Oh yeah. It's nice. Hey, how are you? Look at it. Now look right here. Back of this one. Holder. You got the green touches in there. Look at that right there. Well, they got the whole little setup for a car show. Green lights in there. I like that. Oh, you can go ahead. Lamborghini doors on there. That's what I need. 2L. Yes. Yes, sir. Look how you change the gear shift. Oh, I like it. I like that. Check out the little touch right there. I didn't even show you them over there. Awesome, awesome. I don't even know which one I like most because they're all so different. Look at that. Where's my Wildcat fans at? Look at there. I'm telling you, they out here. Lamborghini doors on there. He's showing out. Look at the seats. Right here to the back. Yes, sir. Look at this one. Oh, we got that nice bottle in the pack. Ready to go. Hell of an engine in there. I already showed y'all most of the cars now. So what we're gonna do is go up there and watch some of them race down the track and stuff like that. Give y'all some of that footage. So we're gonna go over here and see that. If I didn't show y'all, these are some of the guys' cars from my little car group on Facebook. Car club, car group on Facebook. They got some sweet rides. I'm going up here now. I'm gonna show y'all some more, like the Camaros as I go down. I'm gonna go down here and probably go get me something to drink or something like that first. I put my little Camaro hat I got on that I got for free. So I'm gonna wear that instead of my work hat. But I'm gonna show y'all some more of these cars. Stay tuned.
Bracket racing. People don't realize a wonderful way to lose
Got me a little bit to drink and eat, a snack or something. We're gonna go down here and watch some of these races. I'm gonna show y'all some of these. Looks like they're being pretty serious over here. So we're gonna go over here and watch it now. just gonna look around a little while longer. It's a pretty good race today. They are fast. I think I like fast cars. I don't know if I'm ready to go at fast yet. Just watching how fast they are going. But they are gonna go hang out later on tonight. Hopefully, I might go today. I'm not sure. Probably not, because I gotta work in the morning. But yeah, thank y'all for watching this video. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. We got more car shows, more car stuff, more everything. You know, stay tuned. Make sure you hit that like button, that like button, that like button, that like button. Make sure you subscribe, tell others, show others. And appreciate y'all for watching this video.
Oh, yeah. YouTube?
Yeah, YouTube.
What's your channel name?
Abov's Car Life.
Never heard of it. So
Yeah.
I got a YouTube. I'm Mr. Lee Camaro.
Okay.
So
This is
I got you.
Mr. Lee Camaro. Tell them to follow you. Or
What's up, everybody? You can follow me at Mr. Lee Camaro. My Instagram is 6GenSS1LE. I'm out here at Camaro Fest 10 with my guy. Please make sure that you like, share, and subscribe his videos. We definitely need your support. All right? We'll check you guys next time.